Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you the sixth chord, another chord that you will encounter a lot in worship music. The sixth chord is a sixth away from C. Now, if you remember the intervals, we talked about the major sixth and the minor sixth. So it's a major sixth away from C. So this sixth chord is a minor chord. And so if we were to stay with the song, Lord, I need you, in the verse of the song, you can clearly hear this chord. Lord, I come, I confess, bowing here, I find my rest. Without you, I fall apart. You're the one that guides my heart. As you noticed, I played it twice. So bowing here was this A minor chord, the sixth chord. Now, if you were to move in a different key and play the song in E major, the same applies. The sixth is just a different chord, but it's still a major sixth away from E, which in this case is C sharp minor. So let's try it out. Lord, I come, I confess, bowing here. See, it's the same chord.